I got a package in for Luvme hair. This is my first true lace wig. Well, it's the glueless lace wig. This is me opening up the package. They had it well packed. I love that for me. It also came, this little package is a small flat iron. That was a free gift that it came with. I don't know if this is something you always get or this is just like a little promotion that they're doing, but it's this little small flat iron. And then this is me open the box. I just love the packaging. Cute box. They had it fixed up so nice and neat. That's just me open to realize that you just slide it off. I ain't have to do all that extra, but so this is me showing y'all the front. I just love the little design they have on it. This is me opening it, well packaged, well put together. I love this. They had, I don't know if you guys can read the little white paper, but they had like a little quote on it. That is the Glueless Wig. That is the net bag, the hair bag you put it in to protect your wig. Let's see. There's just some instructions and some little pamphlets that the wig came with and some wig label. This, I want to say, I don't know. Let's see. I think this is the bonnet, or yeah, I think this is the bonnet that it came with. And it is. This the one that you tie around. I love that the purple. Then they have the Luvme writing on the front. Love that for me. I'm assuming you get all these little goodies with every wig purchase. I don't know. The only other wig I ever purchased was a they go to stocking cap. The only other wig I ever purchased was a headband wig. But this is my true first lace glueless wig. I had them to cut the lace for me because I didn't know what I was doing. So they did that, and this is the time to lay the edges down. I guess if you wanted to glue it down, you can to make sure it's secure, but that's the little wrap to melt the lace in. And the little edge brush to lay them edges down. That was all. So this is me open the wig cap to put that on, showing you true to color on my skin, maybe a tad bit darker, but I didn't have to do anything to this wig. I did attempt to flat iron it, but it didn't need it. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys the lace, how they come bleached, the knots come bleached, pre-plucked and everything. That is the, yeah, I was trying to figure out, I was just showing you guys the lace again and trying to figure out how to put this on. So I'm just looking, I'm combing it through. No shade. I had a little tiny bit of shedding, but when I was doing it with my hand, none came out. When I started to comb it with the comb, just a little bit came out. So that's me with the wig on, combing it and showing you guys. So I am truly loving this wig. So yeah, go over to Luvme Hair and check them out and get you guys a wig for any occasion. They got all the types.